everybody, it's Alexandra. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a review of the new Kylie Cosmetics palette. This was a collab she did with Ulta. I put together, oh, my boyfriend texted me. But I know I haven't filmed a makeup tutorial in a very long time, and I am so sorry about that. But this is the first thing I've ever purchased from Kylie Cosmetics, and he's texting me. I'm filming on my phone, by the way, because I just didn't charge my camera. Packaging is really nice. I'll insert a clip of how the packaging looks. A few clips of when I actually went to get the palette. My boyfriend drove me to Ulta. We got there at 11:04, so 4 minutes after the store opened. For some reason, like I said, I've never purchased anything from her. I just thought these colors were super cute. You guys know I love pink eyeshadow, so this one, like these two shades right here, sold the whole palette to me. This retails for $44. I haven't seen much reviews on it. Just taped my eyes up. I go in the shade Rose or Rosé, and I am going to put that on my crease. Oh, this is pigmented. I wish that so far I can say that this color was very pigmented. So my mom is on her way back from the ER, so in the span of a week I went to the emergency room, and then my mom had to go to the emergency room. So this month has just been very hectic, which is why I haven't really filmed. So yeah, I've just been super busy with school. You know, senior year is very stressful, and then, you know, some health problems as well. Honestly, I'm gonna just go for it. I told you guys I love using pink. I haven't cleaned my brush, but I'm gonna go in with Candy Heart. It's that pink right here. Full like smoky effect. I'm gonna just focus this color on the outer corners. So that's how the eyes are looking right now. And then I'm gonna take this color. It's called Jack Frost, which I think is fitting. So we're gonna try to put this on my eyelids with my fingers. I just wanna see, oh my God. That was so pigmented. Wow. Like, I didn't want a super defined cut crease. I just want everything to look super smoked out, like it just was airbrushed onto the skin. The shade Almond, which is that brown shade. I literally keep grabbing the mirror with my dirty hands and it's leaving marks. But I'm just going to put that on top of the lash line, just so that when we go in to put our eyelashes, it blends in a little more. But I didn't want like a black eyeliner, you feel me? See how I just drew like a little tiny line? But that's what I love about putting tape on the eyes, because it kind of creates that cat eye effect already. Is that done? Yay, my mommy's home!
Your papi and your mama. Okay.
These are the Leo lashes. Don't they look so pretty? Showing off my Lela because she's so pretty. And that's my dad.
Qué lindo.
Okay, back to a voiceover.
che tu alzo, ese culo.
My grandma's gonna be talking in the background, so do not mind that. This is how it comes out, and overall, I actually really do like this palette. I'm really excited that I bought it. And as the packaging, like everything is just super pretty. I feel very luxurious having this in my collection now. I know, like I said, I haven't done makeup tutorials in a while, but I'm really excited that I got to film one for you guys. Again, even if it was a little short. Don't know the exact name of this palette. It just, to me, it's just the Kylie palette. One from Ulta, like I said. Hopefully you guys can still buy it. I know it's in stores and online, but I'm not sure if it's sold out yet. Haven't seen a lot of reviews on it, so I might be like one of the few who's uploaded one. But the colors are really pretty and I like the look. See you guys in my next video. Bye!